What did God say? I can't remember. What did he say?
Therefore, we will go. We will bay.
We will put our teeth in.
Sorry. We will bay.
On the boat?
I think
They're awfully friendly.
I think we
Bit
should.
like you. You
Yeah.
keep talking over my lines.
What's the matter about?
line yet.
Didn't know you were doing it.
The farmer ends up with no thistle seeds and no thistle seeds. The farmer ends up with no barley seeds.
I heard that.
That was a bit rough. It's good to remember that Jesus came for all year round, not just. We won't do this in the schools. You're alive! And you're giggling.
What did I say? Yeah. I told you so.
You noticed, yeah.
It really is you.
Jesus, you're alive and you haven't invited us to breakfast.
Sorry.
Desperately trying to stop laughing now.
Not helping, Shelley.
Shall we go and stick your head in a bucket?
I think God should wash the world away again, to be honest. Start again.
That's running there, so if you want to...
God, that moustache is enormous.
Soaking up my snot.
Yuck!
Oh no, I'll have anyone else wear it after this.
Right. Right.
Sorry.
So
Is this? Oh, we gone back to the beginning. Oh right. Okay. Sorry.
Are we starting from the beginning? Let's start from the beginning. Sheep, honestly.
Jump on wing at the same time. See if you can do that. And then back out again. Don't do that.
Just do the frozen bit, staring at the angel. Okay? So.
You saw 3 people whose lives were changed.
Sorry, the cat kicked the tripod there.
Not the beggar.
Jesus! Help me, Jesus! I can't see!
Why is he shouting at Jesus? Shh! Stop that noise!
Jesus! Help me! I know you can heal me! Jesus, help me!
Right, that's it. I'm going to get your mother.
Sorry, I got distracted by the cat there.
I know, it's standing on my foot. He has no idea what I'm putting up with here. I'm not sure I'm very keen on the extras you've hired. Yeah, I think we need to move because I think this is getting close. So I'm thinking of the sort of movement we're talking about is that.
Yeah, and if I get it from above...
What are you doing? Look, you ducks, we're trying to film here. Have you got anything I can splash on the water to get rid of the duck feathers?
No, I didn't bring a duck feather removing tool.